Hello and welcome to Business Simulation Learning module. In this video, we will discuss Create Purchase Order. In this feature, we can purchase raw materials to manufacture our products into finished goods.
Create Purchase Order will be triggered once you have completed the planning to produce juice and there are still unmet raw materials needs. To fulfill the raw material requirements, you need to purchase them from the market or by using the Create Purchase Order feature. If you want to fulfill the missing ingredients for the juice to be produced, the system will automatically direct you to the market and the required quantity will be pre-filled with the vendor offering the lowest selling price. Next, on the missing ingredient section, click on the raw materials that have not been fulfilled. For example, fruit pear. And you will automatically be directed to the market. The system will automatically fill in the required quantity with the vendor offering the lowest price. On this display, there are several features and information available. In the top left, there is information about the number of available items. Then moving to the feature on the right, you can use this feature to filter items from the cheapest to the most expensive price. Then the next feature is the opposite, from the most expensive to the cheapest. And for the feature next to it, you can use to filter items from specific vendors you want to search for. And the feature next to that, you can use to filter items that you want to display from various vendors. In the market, you can find two different types of vendors. There are regular vendors and also vendors from other companies or intercompany. Intercompany vendors are identified by the name ZS. On regular vendor, you can shop as usual with prices already set for each vendor. For example, if you need to fulfill a pear requirement, the system will direct you to the market and provide regular vendor recommendations with the lowest prices. The quantity field will be automatically filled based on the required amount. The vendor provides information about the fruits available for sale, as well as the total fruits already sold during the period. The feature below displays the selling price of the fruit each ton. And on the feature to the right, you can edit the quantity you want to purchase. There is also a price scale feature that provides information about the quantity and selling price each ton. The more you buy, the cheaper the price will be. In addition, there is an Add to Cart feature to add items to the cart. It is important to note that you cannot purchase raw materials from different vendors simultaneously. You need to decide whether to buy in bulk or only purchase the quantity needed for production. After the item enters the cart, information will appear indicating that one item has been added to the cart. We can remove items from the cart using the Remove All feature. There is also information about the fruit price each ton and the total cost we need to spend to purchase that item. Below, there is a total credit we have available for shopping. Available credit is obtained using the formula bank multiplied by 2 and minus company liabilities. When our total PO amount exceeds the available credit, the item cannot be purchased and a warning pop-up will appear. After that, click the Create PO menu in the bottom right corner. When you click the Create PO button, a pop-up window will appear to confirm your purchase. You can make repeated purchases by selecting vendors with the lowest prices. Regular vendor ordered items will be directly shipped to your warehouse, and you need to create an invoice for the goods. The more we buy, the cheaper the price each ton becomes. Once the deal is finalized, the inventory turnover ratio on the procurement dashboard will be updated. If the inventory turnover ratio increases, it means inventory management is more efficient. This indicates that the inventory is sold more quickly and the company does not need to hold excessive stock, which reduces the risk of raw material spoilage. On the other hand, if the inventory turnover ratio decreases, it means inventory management is less efficient. This indicates that inventory moves more slowly and the company is at risk of losses due to the material spoilage.
That's how to use Create Purchase Order in Business Simulation. Managing storage efficiently ensures smooth production operations. See you in the next session.